I'm Ron from Kolleno, the NetSuite suite app designed to help you chase, collect, and reconcile your invoices generated by Suite Billing. In this video, I'll discuss how to manually renew a subscription in NetSuite. So the step-by-step guide is to go to Transactions, Subscriptions, Create Subscriptions, List. Once you're here, you click on View for the subscription you want to renew, and you will go to Actions, Renew. So on this page, you can select the default renewal term. Just select one in the list. You can select the method, so I'll choose Create New Subscriptions. If you choose Extend Existing Subscriptions, you can proceed to handling the uplift pricing part of this tutorial, otherwise follow the next steps for creating a new subscription. You configure it, so for example, you will have the default renewal subscription plan here. Subscribe to this YouTube channel also under this video. I would be super grateful. You can choose the price book. Here I will keep the existing one, and you select do not create sales transactions, estimate opportunity or sales order for the transaction type. If you choose do not create sales transactions, the renewal will not be tied to any sales transaction. So here's the part if you had selected extend existing subscription, but also create new subscription, is the uplift pricing. If you have it enabled, you will be able here to define the percentage renewal uplift for subscription lines. NetSuite will automatically apply these price increases. Once all renewal details are filled out, as usual, you click on the blue Save button. You make sure to like this video. I would be super grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.